So these are the Notifier platform updates for the week of Monday, August 18th, 2025. I'm actually getting this a little late on a Tuesday. But what we have been working on is actually a lot of stuff behind the scenes. Now, we are in the process of correcting an issue when you are creating a searcher, where when you select the notification type, if you select anything other than email and then go back in there to edit it, it will default back to email. Now, in the back end, it's actually saving it correctly, but we are getting that error fixed ASAP. That should be out within the next day or two. And then we have some other minor updates and improvements that we have gotten out. You'll notice that if you're using Notifier on mobile, the hamburger menu is now working properly. We didn't realize that wasn't working properly. You'll also notice a very small UI change. You can now minimize this. Not sure how valuable this is to you guys, but it is a common pattern we see across web applications, and so we decided to add it. Now, the biggest thing we are working on is actually behind the scenes. You cannot see the results of it, but we are going through and making some architectural changes to the Teams functionality for Notifier. Now, I am always surprised by how many people use this and ask about it, but it is a key feature that people seem to use, the ability to create a team and then invite team members to that team who have access to certain permissions. But the way I got this out a couple of months ago was a bit hacky, and so we are going back this week and making some architectural changes that will support a better Teams functionality as we go along, so stay tuned for that. That should be done by the end of the week. After that, we are going to be jumping back on giving you the ability to purchase additional matches as well as purchase additional AI credits. Then we're going to be working on adding additional models for the AI-based verification functionality. The reason we are doing this is that we have seen some interesting behavior differences between certain models, where for certain use cases, one model may work better, and for other use cases, a more expensive or another type of model may work better. We're also going to be adding support for some of the cheaper AI models that are out there, specifically some of the ones from Google, and this should substantially lower the costs of AI verification. After those things are done, we're going to be adding support for LinkedIn, Facebook, Quora, and a few other platforms. And then from there, we are going to be pursuing the semantic search approach that I've been talking about, which will not be a keyword-based approach like we are using today, but it'll be a second option in the interface to select a semantic search type. That will be more of a search on meaning, so that will be coming soon. We are also going to be making a lot of improvements to the user interface where you actually view the results to add additional information to know quickly how important a result is to you. But that is it for what we're working on today. As always, if you guys have any questions at all, do not hesitate to reach out. You can, of course, email us. You can join our Discord here, like some of you have already done. You can schedule a meeting at any time by clicking schedule call. And then, of course, we do have our daily office hours every day at 12:30 p.m. PST that anyone can join and get help if needed. Thank you very much and have a fantastic week.